Chapter 2 Valinorian Time Divisions. This text occupies 8 sides of 4 sheets of unlined paper. It is written in a clear hand in black nib pen, with additions and some revisions made in blue ballpoint pen. The versos of most sheets are filled with attendant calculations not represented here. It dates to c. 1959. In a revised scheme, in which the sun and moon are a primeval part of Arda, established before Arda was inhabitable, the basic time, even in Aman, must be the sun year, since this governs all growth, be it slow, normal, or quick. But the sun day need not be observed, since Valinor was domed over. Footnote 1. Regarding the domes of Arda in the round world version of the mythology, see X 369-72, 375-8, 385-90. End of footnote. Hence, the basic equivalent of Valian time and Middle-earth time, VT and MT, will be 1 Valian day or tree day equals 1 sun year. All multiplications or divisions of this were by 12. Hence, the Valiant month had 12 Valiant days equals 12 years. The Valiant year, again, had 12 Valiant months equals 144 years. These equivalences are exact since the Valiant day was maintained always at the length of the elvish Loa or sun year, whether that varied or lengthened or not. Asterisk. But since the light of Valinor was quite independent of Earth rotation and depended on the length of the light of the trees, which from the opening of Telperion to the closing of Laurelin occupied 1 day or sun year exactly, all smaller fractions of time were reckoned in descending twelfths. These were, of course, exact and accurate for Valinorian purposes, but owing to the inexactitude of the sun year in relation to Earth rotations, were complicated if stated in relation to Middle-earth times in days, hours, seconds, and asterisk. In the days of the trees, the Valian day was divided into 12 Valian hours, which were arranged evidently to occupy exactly 1/12 each of whatever was the length of the sun year. This is held to have varied and to have lengthened. At present, sun year length of Valiant hour is therefore approximately 1 month or 30 or nearly 30 and a half days. Asterisk. 30 days, 10 hours, 29 minutes, 3 and 5/6 seconds. And asterisk. Since the Valar and Eldar only grow or age slowly, but do not live, act, go, or perceive slowly, on the contrary, for local use in Aman, the Valian hour was further subdivided in repetitive twelfths. A solar year contains 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 46 seconds, equals 365 days and 20,926 seconds, or 365.242199074 days. 1 day has 86,400 seconds. 1/4 day therefore has 21,600 seconds. The year is thus 674 seconds, 11 minutes and 14 seconds short of 365 and 1/4 days. Valiant day equals sun year, 12 hours, 144 primes, 1728 seconds, 20,736 terces, and solar year has 31,556,926 seconds. 248,832 quarts, 2,985,984 quints, and 35,831,808 minims. Therefore, the Valian minim is 0.88069589 of a second, or very nearly. At true value, this would be 35,831,807.9581 minims in a year. Tolkien then wrote actual value and calculated the fractional part of the relation of a minim to solar seconds to approximately 360 decimal places, noting where values started to repeat. On the next page, he adds a sext before the minim, thus shortening the minim by a further 12. 1 Valian day exactly equaled 1 Loa or sun year. This was divided into 12 hours of the trees. Each of these therefore equaled 1/12th year. All subsequent subdivisions of the Valian hour were also by 12 and ran from prime through second, terce, quart, quint, sext, or first, second, etc. subdivision of the hour, to the minim, which was 1/12th to the 7th power part of the Valian hour in approximately 1/14th of our second. At the present rate of 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 46 seconds to 1 year. Valian division, 1 hour is 30 days, 10 hours, 29 minutes, 3 seconds, or 50 minims, or 60th of a second. 1 prime is 2 days, 12 hours, 52 minutes, 25 seconds, or 19 and 2/12 minims. 1 second is 5 hours, 4 minutes, 22 seconds, or 6 and 7/12 minims approximately. 1 terce is 25 minutes, 21 seconds, and 50 and a half minims approximately. 1 quart is 2 minutes, 6 seconds, or 49 minims approximately. 1 quint is 10 seconds, or 38 minims approximately, and 1/6 is 53 and 2/12 minims approximately, and 1 minim is 4 and 31/72 minims approximately, assuming minims are 60th of a second. The nearest approximate equivalents are thus 1 hour is 1 month or 30 and a half days, immortal equivalents. 1 prime is 2.5 days. 1 second in Valian divisions is 5 hours. 1 terce is 25 minutes. 1 quart is 2 minutes, or more exactly 2 and 1/10. 1 quint is 10 seconds. 1/6 is 1 second, or more accurately 10/12, and 1 minim is 1/14th second. In the narrative, time lengths of less than the Valian second are seldom mentioned, and less than the Valian quart, 2 minutes, practically never.